Hello, audience. Today, we're going to be unboxing some speakers. They're called Bose Companion 2. They were $99 plus tax at my local Target. So I decided to finally get this because my dad, he's had them for a long time, and they're still working. Great, too. So that's how I know they're good quality, and they have a really good rating. So we're going to be seeing how they are today, see what they can do, and well, I know what they can do. But I finally needed one because I can't connect my Bluetooth speakers to my Switch, so I got one that can actually use an audio plug to get the Switch connected to the speakers so I can have louder sound, because to be honest, speakers on a Switch are trash. Because they're meant to be handheld and to go places, so can't really do much about that. So I think you guys know how it is. I'm assuming some of you are wondering, what in the world is that sound? Like a couple days ago. Let me show you. Maybe 3 days ago, I'm not sure. But today, I decided to expand my fish collection by getting these fish. I forget what they're called, but they're very pretty. Yeah, interesting. There's that goldfish. And my oldest fish, I think I've had for like a year and maybe a half now, just sitting there. So, got all the food right here, the net, and so on. So, we'll start unboxing the speakers. Alright, open this side. Here's the instruction manual. I'll move it to the side. Just stuff that we don't really care about. Warranty, commission, register your product. Pretty much telling you how this works and everything else, terms and conditions, so on. Not really that important. We got the audio plugs to connect it from like Switch to DC audio. I'm pretty sure you know that. Take these parts off. This is obviously going to be pretty difficult, I guess. But I'm opening it here. I'm assuming this is just an extra speaker that connects to the other speaker. Ooh, that's shiny speaker. Cord. Set this aside. There's a box. Let's see what this box includes. There's the plug to connect it to the wall. Very interesting. That's how they work. So now, there's the other speakers. The tuner. Yes, one of the most important parts. There's all the ports right there. You can read them. And that's everything. That's there. There's a back port. Let's take this off of this, see if it actually does connect like I said, which I'm assuming it does. There's the plug. Yep, it connects. Got the setup port. There's the cord more. Alright, so now, here's this cord. So it tells you on here DC power, which is how you do it from computer, right speaker, so plugs in, I think. It would either be that, and then you would plug this into the PC port. Just plug it in. And it would be working. And here's the power cord, which you would obviously connect. I guess that's about it. Can't really do anything. else? You guys learned about my fishies. You got to see me unbox the speakers. Anything else you want? I didn't think so. Bye.